appeared on our planet. A group of fully feathered theropods. Dromaeosaurids, microraptors, and velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Thank you. Hello and a very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, how's everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Yes, very nice to see all of you here. By the way,
A white-bellied sea eagle, a local species of raptor. These birds, they specialize in hunting for fish and even for sea snakes. So today, we are going to watch a demonstration. So everyone, eyes up on screen. Look at that, that is how it's done. Impressive hunting. And that is why the white-bellied sea eagles are one of my favorite raptors to spot in the skies of Singapore.
well, I have another raptor that I really like, which you can commonly find right here in Singapore, and that would be the brownie kite. So everyone, let's welcome Sapphire. Wow! These birds are extremely agile and maneuverable in flight. And when you take a good look at Sapphire, you will notice that she is a mid-sized raptor. Well, don't let her size fool you, because this bird is capable of stealing or even snatching food away from a bird as big as the white-bellied seagull. There you go, nice landing by the way. And when you're walking around the parks in Mandai, you might get to see some wild white-bellied seagulls and even brownie kites flying around. Alright, now this would be a very good image to understand how they look like when they are high up in the sky, and it's also very easy to identify them. On the left is the white-bellied seagull, and on the right would be the brownie kite.
That's right, so these are two local species of raptors, but it is quite easy to tell them apart. They are very different in their size, color. So the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming. Because owls, they are the masters of silent flight. Everyone, let me introduce you Latif, our Malay-British owl. Right on this side, everyone meets Soren, our owl.
Well, Joe, you mentioned something about silent flight, right?
Yes, indeed.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created...
Wow.
There you go. Alright, right now Raul's going to demonstrate to you how he goes about foraging for food in the wild using his long legs and flat claws to turn over the rocks and even tree barks in search of insects. And we've also got a close-up of that on the big screen.
Wow.
There you go.
So these birds, they are very inquisitive and will break the nest of ornaments and even steal food from them. And not only that, when an insect that they hunt for were to take off, they would be able to make vertical flights up into the air to catch them.
Whoa!
Nicely done.
Okay, thank you very much. Now you can go back home. Yes, what was that? Bye-bye. There you go. Let's give him a round of applause. Very playful Southern Crested character. Now, our turkey vulture. Now, she is going to fly very low over your head. So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who birds fly up. Yeah, I told you so. Very low. There you go. Now, the turkey vultures can be found in the Americas and they are pretty abundant in the wild. Close to about 10 million of them. And these birds have got excellent sense of smell. They're able to pick up the stench of rotting meat from miles away.
So that means that when there is a carcass, the turkey vultures are...
Our Himalayan griffon vulture. Allow me to share a story about Genghis. Back in 2005, a young Himalayan griffon vulture was on its migratory route from the Tibetan plateau all the way to Thailand for winter. And during this journey, this bird was found to be extremely weak and dehydrated. In fact, it was found lost right here in Singapore in Orchard Road. So the authorities contacted us and we managed to rescue him and nursed him back to good health.
Unfortunately, Genghis here suffered an injury which prevents him from being released back into the wild. So now he is a special member of our raptor family. And don't you think that this strong survivor definitely lives up to his name, the mighty Genghis! How about a loud round of applause for our Himalayan griffon vulture?
Vultures are capable of stripping down a carcass as large as this one right over here within minutes. That's how fast they are. But unfortunately, the African white-backed vultures are critically... Hang on, no fighting guys. Right, there you go. Alrighty. So these birds, as I told you earlier on, are critically endangered in the wild. Not many of them left.
Alright, so now moving on to the next course of the meal, which is the height and the ligaments of the carcass. Ladies and gentlemen, enter the Cenarius vulture! A heavyweight from Europe. Now our large male right there uses his strong gripping feet and large hooked beak to tear apart tough skin and feed on large chunks of flesh. Now did you know that in Africa, a total of 11 species of vultures are responsible for cleaning up to 70% of the continent's carrion? Look at that. Now without these amazing birds, we humans would...
What is this on ass? Wow, bigness. There, good one. Beli, beli aja bawa. Nih. Foto itu. Ngapanya ibu kak?
Oh ya ya.
Wah, so big. Oh, deh sekali.
Oh look, yeah
Sekali
look.
tancap dikit, oh langsung mati ya. Agak. So long stick.
I don't know why.
Ay. Alamur. Wah, this one the bird. Ay, hilang.
Oh, there's one coming up.
Oh iya, itu namanya, saya lupa namanya apa itu. Ini saya lupa namanya apa ini yang orang abu-abu. Jenis.
They are at home now. Oh look, you can see the traffic on.
Banyak banget. semua deh pelihara burung di rumah.
So you're
Makau,
doing a
ada Makau.
so you're doing a review on
Wih banyaknya. Banyaknya. Skeleton, berskeleton. Ostrich. Kiwi. Oh, this is.
kiwi.
Oh, this is kiwi. This is kiwi that you eat. This is skeleton. Wow. Wow. So scary. This is what? This is-
kiwi bird. That one.
This is not ostrich. Ini bukan ostrich ya. Nggak mungkin beruang ostrich guys. Exceptional. Bukan sih. One big mama. Yo. Let's go. Wah, flamingo deh banyaknya. Wah. There's a lot of them raising his neck. Oh, itu satu guys, itu yang buka-buka. Wah, muter-muter. Wah. Where? Oh, there. Lihat ya guys, ini dia Makau. Burung Makau. Itu Makau mana tuh guys? Makau itu guys, Makau di atas. Itu Makau guys.
Mommy, that's my call.
Wah. After you fall, oh my god. Oke. Di orange, itu warna orange itu guys. Wah, duck. Is this a duck? Itu ya. Ini. Quack. Wih. Yang mana kayak tuh enggak ya? Oh iya, itu yang pink. Crocodile. 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 Oh. Oh no. Wah deh. Susah. Wah, semeni bird. Wah, tadi. Go home, guys. Go home.